A reliable everyday carry knife is essential for tackling both small tasks and tough jobs with ease. Meet the Dervish Worm EDC knife, a compact yet powerful blade that offers versatility, durability, and precision cutting. Crafted from AEBL steel, a fine-grained stainless material used in high-end razors, it ensures excellent sharpness and edge retention. Designed for a controlled and comfortable grip, it's perfect for front pocket carry, no clip necessary. Whether you're peeling apples, opening boxes, sharpening pastels, or cleaning trout, this EDC knife is built for urban and outdoor use. The blue anodized finish enhances both durability and aesthetics, making it an essential tool for everyday tasks. A slim and functional pen is essential for capturing ideas, notes, and goals anytime, anywhere. Introducing the Micro Carry Needle Pen, a high-end everyday carry notebook pen designed for minimalism and convenience. With a super slim profile, it seamlessly fits into journals, diaries, or pockets without adding bulk. Its custom mechanism ensures a fast and easy refill change, accepting any D1 refill from any brand. Built for daily use, its sharp, needle-like design embodies tactical elegance while maintaining effortless portability. Its Type 1 black paracord attachment allows it to be secured to zippers or bags for quick access, making it a perfect EDC writing tool for any situation. Keeping your keys organized while carrying essential tools should be effortless and compact. Introducing the Cayenhore, the smallest EDC multi-tool, designed as a universal micro-key organizer with multifunctional capabilities. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it is super lightweight, incredibly strong, and virtually silent thanks to its silencing spring. With a 25mm split ring, it seamlessly holds and organizes daily keys while discreetly housing a bottle opener, pry bar, flathead screwdriver, and box opener. Its minimalist CNC machine design conceals it until needed, making it the perfect blend of practicality and innovation. The Cayenhore ensures that finding the right key is fast and effortless, while also serving as a reliable everyday tool. Enhancing your workout should be effortless, whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go. Meet the Bala bangles, the world's first wearable weights, designed to increase heart rate, burn fat, and build muscle during activities like yoga, running, cycling, and hiking. Unlike traditional dumbbells, these one-size-fits-all weights provide constant, hands-free resistance without restricting movement. Crafted with a cast iron core and wrapped in medical-grade silicone, they ensure comfort and durability. An athletic elastic band secures them to wrists or ankles, making them versatile for both men and women. Sleek, stylish, and effective, Bala bangles are the perfect fitness companion, seamlessly blending function with fashion. When adventure or emergency strike, the right tools can make all the difference. Introducing the Aspect Design Multifunctional EDC tool, a 10-in-1 compact solution perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, and daily tasks. Crafted for versatility and durability, it features M3 Allen keys, a bottle opener, a car spoke wrench, a nail puller, a utility knife, a slotted screwdriver, a seatbelt cutter, a whistle, a survival hammer, and a key ring. Designed for easy everyday carry, this lightweight yet powerful tool ensures quick fixes, emergency preparedness, and outdoor convenience. Whether for daily maintenance or survival situations, this multifunctional EDC tool is a must-have companion.